Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're unable to pin applications to the taskbar on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So if you're unable to pin different apps and programs just by right-clicking on it and pinning to the taskbar as you would with the Start menu, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that without too much of a hassle. And let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what we're going to do is just start by opening up the search menu. Type in PowerShell. Best result should come back a Windows PowerShell. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. And now I will have a command in the description of my video. I want you to copy it and then go up to the top bar of the Windows PowerShell window here, right click on it, select Edit and then select Paste to paste it in. And then once it's done running here, guys, you want to go ahead and just close out of here. And you want to open up the search menu again, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. You want to go ahead and right click on that and then select Run as Administrator. If you receive user account control prompt, select Yes. And now you want to type in SFC followed by a space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard. This will begin the system scan. It shouldn't take too long. Once this is done, we will restart our computer and there will be one further potential workaround for this issue, and then we will go from there. Okay, so you can see it did find corrupt files and repaired them. Go ahead and close out of here and restart your device. Okay, so now that we're back into Windows, what you want to do if you're running Windows 11 or Windows 10 Professional or higher, you want to open up the Group Policy Editor. So if you're running Windows 10 or Windows 11 Home, it will not work. So you would probably just have to end the tutorial there. But if you're running Professional or higher, go ahead and type in Group Policy. Best match should come back with Edit Group Policy. Go ahead and open that up. And now we're going to expand underneath user configuration. So let me just make this a little bit wider here. So underneath user configuration, double click on the administrative templates folder, and then there should be a start menu and taskbar folder. On the right side, look for something that says do not allow pinning programs to the taskbar. So you might have to scroll down here. And you can also just click on a random entry in here and just start typing it in. Do not allow, and then you can see do not allow pinning store apps, do not allow pinning programs. So go ahead and double click on that. You want to set this to not configured. And then once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and select applying, okay? And then hopefully that should be about it. Again, you should restart your computer after that. And then once you've restarted your device, that should have been able to resolve the problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.